Hello and welcome back to my channel Thai Adventure and Investment. Today we're going to discuss about an upcoming IPO called Medline, ticker symbol MDLN. Before I proceed, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Stock purchasing is inherently risky and you should consult a professional financial advisor before you invest any money. This video is purely for educational and information purposes. So with that said, let's quickly move along. Medline is one of the largest distributors and suppliers of medical and surgical products. Medline started business in 1966 and since then it has had consistent growth of compounded annual growth rate of 18% annually. So let us look at a few key features of this IPO. Medline is offering 179 million Class A shares at a price range of $26 to $30 per share. Its financials for 2024 year-end December 31st was $25.5 billion, net income of $1.2 billion. In the first half of 2025 until June 28, 2025, revenue was $13.53 billion with a net income of $655 million. Medline has cash on hand about $199 million and its long-term debt is about $16.42 billion. In the last year, that is December 31st, 2024, it had cash payments for interest of $1.022 billion and accounts receivable and inventories account for about $7.675 billion. Now this is where I'm a little concerned about this IPO. It claims that it wants to raise money because it wants to repay its debt. As you can see, I just showed you that its cash position is hardly $200 million and it has a total debt of about $16.5 billion. So basically they're coming to market to raise money in order to pay off this debt. Before we go further, let us look at some other features about Medline. It first went public in 1972 and was privatized in 1977. Private equity owners such as Blackstone, Carlyle Group, and Hellman and Friedman are the private owners of this company. So here's my concern. They first came public in 1972 and they decided that they want to go private and they took it private, which is well and good. But now they're coming back to the market asking people to invest in their company and they really don't have anything to show for it except that they are claiming they have $25 billion in sales, whereas their cash on hand is hardly $200 million. And they have a huge amount of debt, which is $16.42 billion. And they expect that the public will invest with them and they will be able to repay the debt. Also, please keep in mind that there are a lot of private backers of Medline and they are looking for an exit strategy. These private backers mostly must have already recouped all their monies and now they're looking to for the private to invest in the company so that they can get out and move on to something else. While this company may do well in the future and the cash position may improve, I am not very optimistic in the short term. You might get about a $5, $10 jump in price on the first day of IPO listing, but don't expect this company to perform well in the near term. It may show a high level of revenues. Revenues may be growing, but unless they can improve their cash flow position, they are not going to be able to generate significant returns for stockholders. So that is what I wanted to say about this IPO today. If you like my videos, please click on the like and subscribe button.